On the scale, a weighty tale. Weight, the heaviness of an object. A heavy backpack filled with books, a teeny paper kite, a friend named Kate who just turned 8. These all weigh something, right? Weighing things is how we find the heaviness of stuff. A soccer ball, great grandma's shawl, and bags of pillow fluff. An ounce is just the thing to use for very light amounts. That slice of bread you've just been fed, it weighs about 1 ounce. 16 ounces make 1 pound, so picture 16 slices. They'd weigh around 1 single pound, no matter what the price is. The very heaviest of things we talk about in tons, like trucks and trains of ducks and cranes, or freighters filled with buns. A ton is huge. It takes 2,000 pounds to make just one. Cars and whales upon the scales are measured by the ton. A scale is the tool we use to weigh things small and large. Scales can measure a trunk filled with treasure, a crate or some bait or a barge. Having more than just one way to measure weight is best, so memorize each metric size and you'll pass any test. A gram is not a cracker, and it's not your parents' mother's. It's a weight, so get this straight, it's smaller than most others. A dollar bill or paper clip weigh near 1 gram, you know. Inside 1 ounce you can announce there's 28 or so. Take 1,000 of these grams, and kilograms the name. A quart of milk, 2 pounds of silk, each weigh about the same. 1,000 kilograms or what make up 1 metric ton, about as heavy as a Chevy, at least a smaller one. You've picked up lots of heavy words, and now you know enough to teach a class because, alas, you've learned a ton of stuff. So what is weight? Do you know? A female giraffe weighs about 1 metric ton. 4 large apples weigh about 1 kilogram. 1 paper clip weighs about 1 gram. A slice of bread weighs about 1 ounce. 2 pears weigh about 1 pound. A female walrus weighs about 1 ton.